Hello friends, we are going to discuss rate analysis. Rate analysis is the integral part of civil engineering. Whenever we are quoting for a new project, yeah, whenever we are quoting for the tender, that time usually client provide us a BOQ, but we have to fill the rates. And the basis of the rates, usually we get the project. And to analyze the rate, we need good control on material rate, labor rates, indirect costs. Here we are going to see the rate analysis, how to calculate the rates in detail. So welcome to the my channel Civil at the rate analysis. What is mean by the rate analysis? Analysis of rate for civil engineering works in order to determine the rate of particular item. The factor affecting the rate of the items are studied carefully, and then finally a rate is decided for that atom. The process of determining the rates of an atom term as analysis of the rates or rate analysis. You are well aware of the rate analysis, but here we are going to see the formats. Here we are going to see the calculations, minor calculations, how the coefficients we calculate actually on the basis of the site conditions. So in rate analysis subject, I divided into the three parts. One is the civil, that is the shell and core, from excavation to the waterproofing. In civil, we are going to see the excavation rate analysis, PCC, RCC, reinforcement, structural steel, masonry, plastering, and waterproofing work. In interior, it's basically in interior two types of finishes are there. One is the course and another one is the final. Final means whatever we are going to see the final finishes on the completion of the work. In interior there are flooring. In flooring we'll see the different type of flooring like with tiling, marble flooring, granite flooring, and special flooring. Wall finishes are there. In wall finishes, dado work is there. It may be tile, maybe marble. Punning work is there. Even the designing punning work is there. In ceiling, fall ceiling work, usually in maximum cases, in low to medium budget, usually it goes to gypsum fall ceiling. Another thing is the wooden fall ceiling is there. Yeah, the special feature like sometimes the special ceiling material like from the Armstrong and similar companies. Finishes, painting work is there. Different type of paints are there from its water based and oil based paints. We'll see the detailed analysis for painting item also, and the carpentry work. In carpentry work, all carpentry work is covered, even from wooden door to the carpentry work like kitchen, wardrobes, furniture. We have covered. We will going to cover. And in services, plumbing, electrical, firefighting, and HVAC, this part will cover in detail. Okay, this is the major head we are going to do. Initially, we will start from the civil work. In main, in when we think about the rate analysis, there are main three factors are there. One is the direct cost. In direct cost, there are material cost, labor cost, machinery and plant cost, and subcontract cost. In indirect cost, basically indirect cost, it is not the directly link with the execution. Means I mean to say the execution work. Yeah, it is not billable to the client, but that cost is needed. Indirect cost is needed to complete the actual work. In indirect cost, there are 25 to 26 factors. Here I will mention the means some factors like salary, site office setup. In site office setup, site office is there, client office is there, lab is there, some crane charges, the DG charges, labor camps, water, electricity, bank charges. Usually when we take the mobilization advance, that time we have to pay the interest to the bank. Okay, that charges we have to consider in indirect cost. Insurance means one, usually we take the car policies, contractor all policies. Then we have to do the statutory requirement like ESI, PF. That for that thing we need the coordinator to fill the forms, to submit the monthly fees. Okay, then the difficult after completion of the work, usually difficulty period is there for 1 year. That time we have to appoint the persons, supervisors and engineer. That cost we have to consider while calculating the indirect cost. Then the telephone bills are there, water bills are there, some rents are there. Those are the indirect costs. And then last item is the overhead profit. Probably indirect cost is the overhead, but yeah, the last item is overhead and profit. Usually, what is the markup on the direct cost and indirect cost? And the total of three is coming the rate of your item, which is you will going to quote for the to the client. Here, some formats are there. Usually, you just need to take the material rates from the client. In detail sheet, we'll see in Excel. Here, only the today's the in this chapter I am just introducing the thing. Okay. Here, material rate format is there. From market, you just take the rates from your supplier. The rates may be vary, depends on the site locations, quantum of the work. Okay, here I have put it means one serial number, atom number is the atom is basically the metal description, rates and unit. This rate is without any taxes. Then labor rate, this is the labor rate, clear cut labor rate. And some items are subcontract item, usually windows. We not in standard practice we are not purchasing the material and then we are giving on the labor. The standard case we are doing it from the third party, and on that we usually load the our off. Here the wastage factor is there. After calculating the coefficient, we have to after calculating the cement, sand, yeah, any metal coefficient, the wastage is there. Wastage in standard from the when the metal is unloaded on site, some wastage is there from for unloading and for transporting, like cement, metal. In sand, there is wastage due to the size of the river sand. Reinforcement steel, there is wastage due to the length of the bar. So I have considered the wastage like 3%, 20%, 5%, 3%. This is the standard wastage I have considered, which will directly link to the our rate analysis sheets. This is the format basically. This is the abstract sheet, top sheet where we will get the our sale price. Indirect cost, material, indirect cost, there are four subheads: material cost, labor cost, plant cost, subcontract cost. On that basis, we'll get the total direct cost. Indirect cost, water and electricity, I have made the two separate sheets. Usually, I have considered 2% for water and electricity and 7% overhead. This is the, in short, on depend on the size and the company, the cost, indirect costs vary from 7 to 9 percentage. In that, some cases there is an indirect cost for the site office, branch office, and head office is there. So total cost will be the direct cost and indirect cost, and on that the markup is there. How much percentage we have to load on that cost. After adding that thing, this is the last thing. The total rate plus markup will be the our sale price. This is the format. In Excel, I am going to show when we'll analyze the item. This is the breakup of the in for brickwork, brick bat waterproofing. I have taken cement, the quantity, wastage, total quantity, unit is there, rate is there, and amount is there. The distribution is given. Why I have given this distribution material labor? We'll come to know the how much material is metal component is there, how much labor component is there, and plant and subcontracting component is there in our tender. That's why I have separated this cost for cost survey. Okay, so here in description column, the item, wherever we are thinking that we need to analyze the rate for the atom, so we need to understand the what is the actually how the atom is executed on site. So we need to consider that that factor, and on that basis we need to quantify the atoms. Like for brickbat waterproofing, cement is required, river sand is required, brickbat cova means bricks free. Ca1 means the aggregate basically, which is less than the 10 thickness. Waterproofing compound is there, miscellaneous items are there, plant cost is there, and subcontract like labor for the waterproofing. This way I have given the sheets detail. When in next sheet we will going to analyze the atom, that time we'll see how it works. Thank you for the introduction of the rate analysis. We'll see the analysis of actual atom in next video. Thank you.